Hey, how's it going, y'all? So I just did a tour with a nice couple soon to get married, and we toured this beautiful home out in Dallas. It's going for 1,800 right now, and I'm just gonna show you guys really quick. Switch this camera around. How do I do it? I'll be forgetting sometimes. There we go. All right, so this is the home. It comes with a gate with remote. You guys can see that out there. It's a nice sized yard. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan has a remote. Also, wash machine, dryer. And then there's some storage in here. Bathroom. That's the living area right there. Then eating area right here. You got the kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. The stove has 5 eyes on it, which is pretty cool. Got a zone to keep stuff warm. These cabinets are pretty nice. Good handles on them. Pantry. And so this leads out to the backyard. So the backyard is not extremely bad. It wraps around. So you can get a grill out there. It wraps around to the front yard also. So it's not like limiting. Go up the steps. Here we go. This is the other bathroom, double sinks, nice tile floors, bedroom, decent sized closet, another bedroom, another decent sized closet. Over here to the third bedroom, which would be considered the primary room. With a decent sized closet. So the couple said they really like this home. We are going to submit an application today. As soon as I get out of here, get back to the office. Close it up really quick. Yeah, we're gonna submit an application on this home today for my clients. They're highly motivated. They love the place. I like it for them. They got everything going good for them. Good credit. No evictions. Property that's broken leases. And they make the money. So they're gonna move forward on this one. Like I said, I'm happy for them. They came to me ready, knowing already what it was that they wanted to get. And so we just made it happen. So I can help you get a home like this. Like I said, the process is really simple. You just hit me up. We go for a tour. Well, you contact me. I'll send you a list of the things that you say you're looking for and that meets your criteria, so that we're not going around looking for things that you're not really qualified for or you're not truly interested in. And then once we go out, look at some homes, you find the one that you want, the one that you like, the one that you fall in love with, then we go ahead and submit the application for that. And after that, then it goes through a little process where they just do the checks on the background, income verification, stuff like that. And after that, then sign a lease, you get your keys, and you move in. It's that simple. The process takes anywhere from 1 to 3 business days. So if you need a home, reach out to me, 214-554-7743. Or you can find me online. It's mario.callitclose.com. Or you can just Google me. I'll pop up everywhere, all over Google. So, hey, y'all have a wonderful day.